Good morning, students. In the last session, I explained you about the types of set. Which are the types of set? Null set. It is also called as a empty set. Then singleton set. Then finite and infinite set. Now, in this session, I am going to explain you the example based on the types of set. See the practice set 1.2 some examples. See students, the first question, decide which of the following are the equal set and which are not. Justify your answer. Justify your answer means firstly whatever sets are given, that set we have to write in the listing method. Listing method means how many number of elements are present in that set or which are. And then you have to compare the every element. If each and every elements are equal, then you can say that the set is a equal. Now see, X is a set of set A is a set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now the first question is what? 3x minus 1. What is the value of x here which satisfies the given condition? It is obviously 1. 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, and therefore x is equal to 1. So x is a 1. Okay, or you can calculate in this way also. Now, so first set having how many elements? 1, and that is 1 only. B, x is a set set B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. So such a only one element is there, therefore B is also having the element 1. C, set C is a set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 2. So students, there is also natural number which is less than 2, there is only 1 because natural number start from 1 and therefore C is also set having 1. So from first, second and third we can say that all ABC is identical because every element means number of elements as well as every element is same only. Therefore ABC are the equal set. Now see the second question. Decide whether set A and set B are equal sets. Give the reason for your answer. A, even prime number. How many even prime numbers are too much? But how many even prime number? There is only one even prime number, that is a 2. B, set B is a set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. So 7x is equal to this minus 1 become plus 1. Therefore 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to 2, and therefore A also having a 2 and B is also having only one element, that is 2, and that element in the set A and B is identical. So from first and second condition A and B are equal. Listen, simple questions are there but every step is important. So stepwise you have to mention. Justify means what? Firstly find out how many number of element and which are element in the set, given set. By the listing method, both the set, whatever the sets are given, you have to represent it, and after representing you have to justify. Next, now question number 3, which of the following are empty set and why? Empty set means what? There is no any element in the given set are called as an empty set. Now see, A, set A is a set of all A. Sometimes in last both question I use x, here I use A. No problem, you can use anyone. So set A is a set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Natural number begin from 1. So smaller than 0, any element is there? No. Therefore A is a empty set. By the symbol phi also we can mention. Now B, x is equal to 0. Set B is a set of all x such that x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, so x is 0, taking a square root of both sides. So you will get B is equal to 0. So 0 is one element in the present in the set B, and therefore B is not a empty set. null or empty. Okay, meaning is same. C. C is a set of all x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x belongs to n. Means x is a natural number. So, means negative number we can't take. From 1 we have to start. So, see, 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 5. So, 2 by 5 is a natural number? No, it is a fraction. It is a in the real number. And therefore x is equal to 255 is not a natural number, and therefore set C is a empty set. Understood, students? Now the next question I am going to explain you. Write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Students, A is a set A is a set of all x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. How many number of elements are there? 9. Because the set is natural number set. So it start from 1 and it is less than 10. And therefore A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can count it? Yes. The number of elements present in the set are limited. We can count it. It is a countable and therefore the set A is a finite. You know, always remember the concept and definition you have to remind, you have to learn. So, B. B is a set of all y such that y is less than minus 1. Y is an integer. Y is less than minus 1. Minus 1 an integer. It is an integer means how many elements are there which are less than minus 1? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to infinity. And therefore you can't count it. The elements are unlimited and therefore B is a infinite set. Next, C, a set of students class 9 from your school. It is finite because the number of students in the class is limited and we can count it and therefore it is a finite set. Now, set of the people from your village. This is also finite because we can count it. Okay, students, number of students also we can count. It is a countable, therefore it is also finite. And the number of people in your village, this is also countable, limited number, therefore it is a finite set. Set of apparatus in the laboratory. This is also finite because the number of apparatus in the laboratory is limited and can be a countable. One mark question is there. This reason mention is compulsory. Else, if you are only writing given set is a finite, then you will get only half marks. Set of whole number. The number of elements in the set of whole number are unlimited. Yes, because it starts from 0. But what is the end number of whole number? We can't say. Because it is uncountable, unlimited. And therefore it is an infinite set. A set of rational number. That is also infinite. While the number of elements in the set are unlimited and uncountable. Because rational number are unlimited. You can't count it. And therefore the set is a infinite set. Okay students, now see the question number first and second. First question, this is textbook page number 6. So if ABC is a 1, 2, 3 and B is a 1, 2, 3, 4, then A is not equal to B. Verify it. Very simple because in the element 4 is not a member of set A and therefore A is not equal to B. So how to write is, because 4 is not belongs to. We can use this symbol belongs to, we can read it. The meaning is what? 4 is a member of B but 4 is not a member of A and therefore A and B are not a equal set. These 3-4 lines you have to write compulsory. A. X is a prime number and 10 which is less than X. X is means greater than 10 but less than 20. And B is 11, 13, 17 and 19. Here A is and B we have to verify it. Very simple. X is a prime number in between 10 to 20. So prime number between 10 to 20 are, firstly write down in the listing form. A is equal to 11, 13, 17, 19. B is equal to 11, 13, 17, 19 already given. If you are comparing every elements are number of element and every element is same and therefore they are identical and therefore set A and set B are the equal set. So students, all this example you have to write in your notebook. Thank you students.